$14 PayPal payment, $5 PayPal payment, $25 PayPal payment. And this is not some complicated thing. Literally, all you have to do is scroll to a YouTube video and what is up, guys, and welcome back to another exciting video. In today's video, we're gonna be teaching you how to earn $1,000 or more of free PayPal money literally just by watching your favorite YouTube videos. And that might sound hard to believe now, but in just a few minutes, we're actually gonna jump into my screen and I'm gonna share my screen and show you exactly how this works so that you can take advantage of this for yourself. But really quick, if you're new here, first of all, welcome to the strongest family on YouTube and to the baby shirt gang. And for you guys who have been here since day one, or you're a subscriber, first of all, welcome back to the strongest family. But for those of you who are new here, make sure you do two quick things. Make sure you tap on that little like button until it turns blue for the YouTube algorithm, and tap that little red subscribe button and join the bell squad. Why? So you can be like these two awesome people who are each the lucky winner of a completely free $2,000 course. And beyond just winning free stuff, you also get access to a bunch of awesome videos where I'm actually researching and spending my time and making these completely for free and putting them out there for you guys, just so you can take advantage of these ways to make money online, gain more financial freedom, and be able to take care of yourself and your family and to, have the life that you've always wanted. And so the least you could do is actually tap on the little like button and subscribe. And so in today's video, we're gonna be talking about a crazy new way to actually take advantage of a very interesting business model where you can just find videos that you are interested in and passionate about on YouTube, and you can get paid literally just to do that. And so without further ado, let's jump into my computer screen and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how this works. But fair warning, this is a little bit complicated how this works. So don't skip around the video and make sure that you do watch it all the way through, because the truth is, if you can't watch a 10-minute free video on YouTube, how do you expect to make money online? Let's go. All right, guys, welcome into my screen. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're actually gonna be on YouTube. It's so funny, like looking at YouTube in incognito, there's like such random stuff in here. But anyway, so what we're gonna do is we are going to be looking for viral style topics. Now, what is some of the most viral topics on YouTube? Well, for me, it's definitely gaming. I think gamers and gaming on YouTube is one of the craziest, if not the most watched actual topic on the entire site. And so what is a very popular video game? Well, the things that come to my mind first are things like Fortnite and things like Minecraft. So we're actually gonna type in Minecraft right here. What we see is, there's a bunch of people, literally thousands of people watching people play Minecraft live. This video has 175,000 views in just 4 hours. This one has 1.3 million views in just 22 hours, right? So there's a massive, massive number of people actually watching these videos. Let's go to this person's channel right here. Yeah, so it looks like they're playing basically all Minecraft stuff. So this is a perfect example. And so what I wanna do is actually check out this person's videos and actually take a look at their most popular. So we can see that literally it looks like all, or not all, but most of their videos seem to be pretty Minecrafty. Yeah, playing Minecraft as a baby werewolf, 9.2 million views 3 months ago. So I mean, this is a perfect example of an incredibly viral video. Almost 10 million views, literally playing Minecraft as a baby werewolf. To me, I don't really understand it, but it doesn't matter, right? Because the social proof is here. Over 9 million people in just 3 months have watched this video. Now, why is that relevant to you? Well, the more people who watch these videos, the more you're going to be able to make. And I'm gonna explain why that is in just a few seconds. And so how this strategy works is the more interested people are in these YouTube videos, meaning the more people who are gonna click on and be interested by these videos, the more people who are gonna ultimately watch these videos, the more money that you can make. And so what you wanna do is you wanna find the most viral, right? And what does viral mean in this context? It means the most people are actually interested in this topic, right? So you wanna find the most universally applicable video on Minecraft that you think the most people interested in Minecraft are going to actually click on. And the reason for that is the more people who click, the more money you make. And so let's use this as an example, playing Minecraft as a baby werewolf, over 9 million views in just 3 months. And now what we're gonna do next is we're actually gonna look at 2 unique websites. Now, these are the 2 biggest websites in this overall niche, but there are others. These are the ones we're gonna focus on because they have the longest history, they've paid out the most money, and they're absolutely massive companies. And so you can see right here, over 2 million links clicked today, over 5.3 million registered users, which is pretty cool. Now, what this site actually does is you get paid to share your links on the internet. So literally, you can take a link that 9 million people have watched like this, right? We can grab it, we can actually take it right here, and we can shrink this link. Now, what happens is you get this shortened link, and every time somebody clicks it, you get paid. Now, I'm gonna explain exactly why you get paid and how this all works in a second, but I wanna show something very interesting for you guys because I actually went out there, did all the research for you guys to make sure that you are actually gonna use the site that makes the most sense for you. So if you actually look right here, you can scroll down and you can go to where it says payout rates. You can see that you can actually make your desktop CPM per 1,000 visitors in a 24-hour period. You can make, a highest in the United States of $94, right? And then it goes down from there as, it gets less profitable for the company. Canada's 44, Germany is, 66. So you can go and find your country and see which one's the highest. Now, the second best site, or arguably the first, is called short.st. Right, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go to benefits here. We're gonna go to payout rates. What you can see right here, in the United States, they pay $14.04, which is, as they say, the guaranteed highest rate. So you wanna find your country and then make sure that, you choose the one with the highest rate. Or if you wanna do what I think is probably the smartest thing, just choose the one that has the highest cost per CPM. So you can see that in the United States, it's $14.04 here. And if we go back to AdFly, we can see that the highest in the United States is 94. So we're gonna go with AdFly and we're gonna close this one out. I just wanted to show you there are different URL shortening services that pay you every link click. AdFly tends to be the largest and the one that has the most users and has paid the most money, which makes me feel the safest about it, recommending to you guys. And so we're actually gonna take our URL here, we're gonna paste it, shrink it, and now watch what actually happens when we click this link, right? Because this is how this whole business model works. So they'll actually send you and show you an advertisement right here. Please wait 1 second. Now you can skip this ad and go to your final destination, right? So the reason that they're able to actually pay you that money is because they show an intermediary ad every time somebody actually clicks on that link, which means that you get paid per impression of that ad, right? And so if you look at AdFly, you can make up to $94 every time somebody clicks on your link on a CPM basis per 1,000 clicks. So what we're gonna do is we are going to actually talk about where to post this link, right? So we talked about how to find a viral topic that a lot of people might be interested in who are interested in Minecraft. We talked about how to find the best URL shortening service. Now, where can we put it where people are actually likely to click on that link so that we can actually get paid? Well, that's what we're gonna talk about right now because that's probably the most important part of the entire process. But really quick, if you guys are enjoying this video, these videos take me a lot of time and energy to actually do, and I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bells, and comment down below, make money online. If we get 1,000 comments that say make money online on this video, then we'll drop a crazy brand new video next week that might even be cooler than this, where you can make money just to do basic stuff like this. So comment make money online down below if we get 1,000, and if we get 3,000 likes on this video, we'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this on your laptop. And so where are we gonna post this link? Well, here is our link right here. And make sure, guys, before you actually do this, that you do create an account just so you can log all of your metrics and log all of your clicks and things like that, and so things don't get lost. So we're gonna take our link once we create our free account on AdFly, and we're gonna come to a place called minecraftforum.net. Right? And so if we go to Minecraft Forum, you can see that this is a place where millions of Minecrafters literally every single month come to discuss Minecraft topics. You can see 11 minutes ago, 19 minutes ago, 38 minutes ago, right? So we're actually gonna go to the forum here, and we can see that there's 138,000 posts Just in this one recent update in snapshots, you know, there's 825,000 posts in the discussion. There's 963,000 posts in the suggestions, survival mode, right? So what we can do is we can open up these individual forum threads right here, and we can talk about, you know, this was my favorite Minecraft video. I can't believe, you know, watching it from the point of view of a baby werewolf, right? I know that might sound weird, but there's literally millions and millions of people who do this stuff. And you can see that these were, you know, very recent threads that have, you know, thousands or tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of views. And so if you can get people to view it a bunch of times, and it's a very easy frictionless thing like watching an already viral video from a major YouTuber, right? Then you can see, like, if you get a forum thread that actually goes viral, right, and you get 240,000 views, right? Even if you only convert, you know, half of them to watch a free YouTube video, that's like 125,000 clicks. You know, and if you're making 125,000 clicks and per thousand you're making $90 potentially, right? That's a lot of money. That's like 90 times, you know, 120 like that. So you could make, you know, over 10 grand potentially if you have a forum thread that actually goes viral, right? It's probably not gonna work instantly. You're probably not gonna get rich overnight doing this, but it is a really interesting way that you can make money with basically no work, just by, you know, shortening a link and having people actually watch a 5-second ad before they go on to actually watch an already viral topic. And the cool thing is you can do this with other things. You can do this with Fortnite. You can do this with other viral video games. You can do this in so many different contexts where you post, you know, your link in YouTube comments, where you post your link in groups on Facebook or forums or social media, right? And the more people who click, the more you actually get paid. And did you actually know that we have 2 other YouTube channels? Our first YouTube channel is More Kevin David, where we go live every single week and show you the best ways to make money online. And our second YouTube channel is the Kevin David Experience, which is our top 25 in the world podcast, where we interview awesome people every single week. And for those of you who are thinking to yourself, this sounds like an awesome way to make money, but how do I make more? Well, my #1 recommendation on the best way to actually make money online is this first link down in the description. Now, yes, this method that I'm teaching in this video is great, but if you want to take it to the next level and earn a full-time income where you can actually, you know, take care of your friends and your family and travel the world and do all the things you've wanted to do, then check out the link right here, the first link down in the description. It's my #1 recommendation, the best way, no doubt, to make money online. It's the same way that I used to actually generate my first $1 million on the internet. And so that's why you should definitely check it out in the first link down in the description. Or if you just want to check out more videos just like this one on this YouTube channel, we have a brand new playlist coming to you live in 3, 2, 1. Click the playlist in the middle of the screen, guys. See you there. Click it. Come on, click it. Do it. Click the playlist. Okay, you don't have to, but I promise you'll like it. Click the playlist. See you soon. Peace.